Hello everyone, we are going to talk about the electricity and why we need it every day. This is an electric socket. The socket, we find this every day in our house and we use it to plug in different things. Without the socket, we can't plug in anything electric to use in our house. Electricity is very vital. We can charge our phones through this plug. If we don't have electricity in the house, we can't use it for anything. The refrigerator, the electric kettle, the microwave, the coffee maker, the washing machine that we need electricity for, to wash our clothes, to watch television and other entertaining things like audio players, TV, computer and the air conditioner. We need electricity every day.